Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a 2010 Holden Captiva CG model. This model runs from 9th month 06 up to 2nd month 11. This particular model has a 2-litre turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive diesel transmission. Here we have the 2-litre turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear. Here we have the bonnet in good insurance quality, grille, front bar. Here we have the left-hand halogen headlight, left-hand fog light, comes with surround, left-hand guard in good insurance. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy rims. Here's the left-hand front, comes with a good tyre. We have a left-hand electric non-indicator type mirror. Left-hand front door suits good private. Left-hand rear door, good insurance. This vehicle is fitted with factory side steps. It's the left-hand rear. Here we have the left-hand rear 17-inch factory alloy rim with an average tyre. This vehicle was damaged in the back, so there's no tail lights, bumper bars, tailgate. Here we have the right-hand rear factory 17-inch alloy rim with an average tyre. Right-hand rear door has been damaged. Right-hand front door, good insurance quality. Right-hand side factory side step, in good condition. Right hand side electric non-indicator type mirror. Right hand guard in good quality. Right hand front factory 17-inch alloy with good tyre. Right hand halogen headlight. Right hand fog light with surround.